Yakhumbula ke masotla amahle ukuthi sibikile ke itolo ukuthi yena ke Sjava uvele wabeka phansi ukuthi ke ayoperforma lapha na kaLuju Festival. Omunye ke lobeka isebenta lendzaba lena ke ngomzwakhe waKaMbuli lo wathanza kakhulu ke Maswati. Sesinaye ke mzwakhe waKaMbuli. Siyavusela Mbuli lapha kaSwaziland News Online Radio.
Ngibonga lelithuba. Ngibonga Dlamini, ngibonga Swazi News, ngibonga abalaleli. Nabathi laMaswati engiwathandayo acindezela kodwa uzokhululeka ngelinye ilanga.
Mbuli sibonga kakhulu nje ukuthi uyisebentile indzaba ukuthi naye ke Sjava angaye eSwatini kuyoperforma. Ungathini kuvusela eMaswati njengoba kulalele njengamanje kulesimo lesikhona?
Besimele sivume abantu bayo-entertainer, bajabulisa abantu abalimele emoyeni, abalimele egazini, abashonelwe, abazilile, ababulewe, abacindezelwe. Ayikwazi, ayikhale kanjalo mayisoduma. Angeke kube ngathi Christmas abantu befile, bebulewe, bezilile, beduduliwe, bedudulwa ngeenhlamvu live ammunition, hayi ngama rubber bullet. Kahleni bo, ayikwazi ukwenzeka. Thou shalt not kill. AmaSwati abantwana bakaNkulunkulu enziwe ngomfanekiso kaJehova. Umswati noma umZulu into eyodwa. Noma umuntu kaDlamini usapha nomuntu okaZwane. Khona ngalo nithi psychological la ekhanda ngathi ukude uleSwazini Swatini aha into eyodwa. Igazi liyafana, umphefumulo uyafana, ubuhlungu buyafana. So asikwazi ukugoqa izandla sithule. Lami iBhayibheli lithi failure to do what is right is sin before God. So asikwazi ukuthula. Usophisa waye right kakhulu compared to umSwati the third. Ngazodlala la. So akunamuntu bezosuka la ayonandisa ukuthi unikhubuze namabhunu mayicinezela iSouth Africa kukhona isikhathi ukuthi oPeter Tosh kwafanele bona bayiSwazini vice versa. Namhlanje kufanele senze festival basuka abantu ngale beze ngapha kodwa nje asivumi. One death is death too many. Swazi lives matter. Akunamuntu onelungelo iphonse noma isoja ukuthi udubula ukhipha umphefumulo. Should wena you sentence a peaceful protester to death. Unamalungelo okubulala awuyena uNkulunkulu. Kingdom rise and fall. Lithi iBhayibheli the greatest army cannot save the king. Even the war horse he cannot save the king. So ngithi thina sithi duduzelani Maswati. Sikhona solidarity sinani. Akunamuntu ozongena lapha so kuhle ngoba kuyekuthiwa you do not guarantee somebody's safety. Kufana nasePalestine abantu bachithola igazi, abantu bacinezela. Uzo-entertainer ini, uzokwenzani abantu belimele. So siyacela ukuthi sizoloko sukubambile lo mkhankaso akanamuntu kumele angene phakathi eSwazini until there's democracy. People are oppressed. We are all saying we are pro-democracy. We put them unesi, udokotela, umuntu wesonto, ibandla, aba-student, into eyodwa sithi pro-democracy. Fanele kufike ubulungiswa, ukufika isikhathi noma sentando yeningi. Siyanthanda aMaswati. Into eyodwa, as long as you're a black man or an African.
Sibonga kakhulu ke Mbuli ungakaphumi njena ungathini siye sikuve lapha ukuthi into yama-poems into lesengadini ungathini nje ukuthi uwashaye eMaswati wadudude njengepoem lencane nje 1 minute.
Uyazi khona ipoem yami ethi listen to the voice of reason. The words of wisdom have to be khona le party ekugcineni. If something is not worth living for, it is not worth dying for. This is the voice of reason in search of liberty time. But the latest album yami ithi Vuka Dachi. It now is the time, ithi Vuka Dachi, the moment of truth has come. It now is the time to break mental chains. Now is the time to reclaim dignity and power. Poverty, silence is no longer golden. Silence could mean cowardice. Now is the time to think it deep and change the narrative. Vuka Dachi, walala wasala. Vuka Mswati, walala wasala. Vuka muntu, ohlanga. So injalo. Ngikhuluma ukuthi abantu kulesithi abantu abanavala uJehova utheka sinika umoya wamanga obugwala, sipha umoya wamandla and sound mind. So ayikho ipain ebuhlungu njengepain engeke ilashe udokotela. Lani khona aMaswati nale pain engalashe udokotela. So nothing else but ourselves. You'll be free one day. Kingdom rise and fall. uJehova sinaye wathi nakuMoses uzwile ukulila nokukhala kwabantwana bami. Kuzoba njalo nakinina. Kuzoba usithanda sonke uJehova. Nizokhululeka one day. Mswati said his era, his time will come. Kingdom rise and come and go.
Sibonga kakhulu sibakhulumisana nawe Mbuli lapha kaSwaziland News Online.
Maswati amahle ngiyabonga.